Guys, in this video I will show you how you can download Google Meet on your desktop. And guys, it really doesn't matter if you're using some sort of laptop, Mac or PC, the process will be the same. Of course, it will not be very convenient way, but still, if you want to have it on your desktop, it will be pretty good. Right, so the first thing what you need to do here is to go on Google Meets. All right, so let's write Google Meets. All right, and then as you can see here, press on the main website. So when you land on the website, what you need to do here, the next step, as you can see here, there is 3 little dots on a top right corner. If you're using Google Chrome, you need to click on these, then you need to go on more tools, and then you need to press save page as, and you can name it whatever you want. And basically the same process will be on PC, laptop, it really doesn't matter. Right, so let's name it Google Meet, and where to save it on desktop, so let's save it. And if I go on my desktop, as you can see here, there is a Google Meet HTM. So if I click it from my desktop, I can be easily redirected to Google Meet from my desktop. All right, so guys, if I help you out, please press like button or subscribe for more. Take care, bye.